Hey, look! My bus has arrived! I'm gonna hop in and take a little ride. It's gonna be so much fun. Wow, this bus is so nice. Let's go, my little bus. Chuck, chuck, chuck. Oh, the bus stop is here already. Hey, Billu, you all are sitting here? Come on, get in my bus quickly.
Okay, we're coming. We'll sit in your bus. Just drop us home later, all right?
Sure thing. Everyone ready? Gate closed. Now let's start the bus.
Okay, start it up.
Vroom, off we go! Don't worry, Billu, I'll drop you both safely at your home. Come on, my good boys and girls. Tap that like button and make this family grow bigger with your love.